In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import product images in WooCommerce. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your website. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Products. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, click on All Products. This will take you to a list of every product currently in your store. From this product list, choose the product you want to add images to. You can do this by clicking on the product name or on the edit link underneath it. That will open up the product editor where you can change all the details for that item. Inside the product editor, focus on the right-hand sidebar. Here you'll see two different areas related to images. The first one is called Product Image. This is where you set the main image that represents the product in your store, for example, on category pages or in search results. Just below that, you'll see Product Gallery. This is where you add any additional images, such as different angles, close-ups, or color variations. In this walkthrough, we're going to import images into the Product Gallery. Find the Product Gallery section and click the link that says Add Product Gallery Images. This will open the WordPress media library in a pop-up window. At the top of this pop-up, click on the Upload Files tab. Then click the Select Files button. Your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to the folder where your product images are stored. Select the image or multiple images that you want to add to this product. You can usually select more than one by holding down the appropriate key on your keyboard while clicking. When you've chosen the files, click Open in the file browser or press Enter. The upload will start immediately. Wait for the images to finish uploading. You'll see progress indicators, and once they're done, the images will appear selected in the media pop-up. When everything looks correct, click the Add to Gallery button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. This will attach those images to the product gallery for this item. Finally, go back to the top right area of the product editor and click the Update button to save your changes. Once that's done, your new product images are live and visible on the product page in your WooCommerce store.